Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Trevor Castiglione. Trevor is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.
So today I want to talk to you about the hot topic item in Orangeville, which is property taxes. So as you know, property taxes are a concern. If elected, what would you do to address them?
Well, that's more than a hot topic. It's become something that has caused a lot of the longtime residents to have to move because they just can't afford it anymore. Over the years, I've seen these taxes just go drastically out of hand, for lack of another way to explain it. I've seen so many of the people that when I've been out speaking in the public and going to their doors and so on and so forth, telling me that they're at their wits' end. And I agree. The spending of this council has been atrocious, to say the least. In my opinion, we have to go through the entire budget, not just one or two departments. We have to find better ways, much better ways of spending. There isn't a single department that we can't find savings. And a few budgets ago, I myself went before council with, after starting an online petition to address the taxes that were, they were at 7.8%, I think at that point, that they had wanted to have them go forth. And I filled council chambers with so many concerned taxpayers. We went before council. Yes, they did reduce it. Not quite to what everyone wanted, but at least it wasn't that 7.8%. There's so many areas that we could save. More smart spending, less spending it on frivolous things. I'm very frugal when it comes to anything, when it comes to money. And this council just hasn't been. Many of the previous councils haven't been. And now, unfortunately, we're the ones that are going to have to address this before it becomes unmanageable. Each and every department has to be looked at. We have to find ways. Yes, it's going to hurt some, but in the end, it'll benefit us all.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for coming in and sharing your views. If you'd like to see more of what Trevor has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.